Hello, everyone. Time to turn up the volume because this is the evolution of rock and roll from the 1960s through the 1970s.
Sounds like a great adventure, Maestro. The 60s and 70s introduced audiences to lots of exciting new bands, sounds, instruments, and musicians, creating new ways to rock and roll. A number of radio stations and televisions in homes help promote the new sights and sounds of rock and roll. In fact, radio stations and television helped start something that was called the British Invasion. The British Invasion was when English rock and roll bands and musicians started coming to the United States. The first band to arrive was the Beatles. They came to perform at the Ed Sullivan television show, and the Ed Sullivan show was one of the most popular television programs in the country. The fans went crazy. English bands and artists soon began touring America to promote their own brand of rock and roll. Some of the bands leading this British invasion were The Animals, we gotta get out of this place. The Rolling Stones, Petula Clark, Herman's Hermits, and the Kinks.
Girl, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing.
By the 1970s, rock and roll was simply called rock, and rock music was evolving in many directions. And thanks to more radio stations, along with 8-track and cassette tape players in many types of automobiles, listeners were now able to hear these new styles from the comfort of their homes and in their cars.